Hello, BCPS families. I am so happy to be with you today for math. But before we begin, let's do a Brain Smart start together to get our bodies relaxed and our brains ready to learn.
It's Brain Smart start time. Let's get your brains and your bodies awake and ready to learn. Remember, there are 4 pieces to a Brain Smart start. The first piece is the activity to unite. And we have a little rhyme today, and it goes like this. I reach up, I reach down. I smile to all my friends around. I see you, you see me. And together we make a family. Well done. The next piece is our activity, our deep breathing activity. And this is really good, remember, because it helps your body relax and get ready to learn. And so today for our breathing, we're going to do something called spiral sun breathing. And you can either draw a spiral sun picture, or you can do a spiral right on your hand or someone in your family's hand. Okay, and this is how it works. You put your finger at the beginning of the spiral. And remember, when you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. So you put your finger at the beginning and breathe in through your nose and follow the spiral around like this. And then when you breathe out, you go the other way. Got it? We're going to do this 3 times. Ready? Well done. Your body is all relaxed. The next piece of our Brain Smart Start is our activity to connect. And today we're going to sing a song called Mr. Sun. And it goes like this. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, won't you smile down? Got it? Let's try it together 2 times. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, won't you smile down? Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, won't you smile down? Well done. And if you like, once you learn the song, you can add some actions to it. So you can either make a sun with your hands, you can find someone in your house and maybe put your hands together and make a big sun, and then make your sun dance as you're singing the song. Our last part of the Brain Smart Start is our activity to commit. And for today, we're going to think about things that would be helpful and choose one helpful thing to do today around your home. What do you think? What could be helpful? Something that might be helpful is after you finish eating, take your plate and your cup and carry them carefully over and put them in your sink to clean up your spot. That is helpful. Well done, pre-K friends. You did a Brain Smart start. Your brains are awake and ready to learn. Let's go.
Now that you are ready to learn, let's read the ICANN statement for today. I can compare height. The word height can be used to describe how tall or short something is. For example, if you're going to talk about a person's height, it means the distance from their head all the way down to their feet. If you're talking about the height of a building, it means the distance from the top of the building all the way down to the bottom. Here are the words that we will learn about today. Short, shorter, shortest, tall, taller, tallest. Let's think. Can you remember a time that you have heard or used the vocabulary words? You might hear someone say, "Wow, you got really tall." Turn and talk to another person in your home about a time when you might hear or a time when you might use words such as short, shorter, shortest, tall, taller, tallest.
I'm going to create a project today to help learn our new words. For this project, I'm going to use the following items: paper, tape, yarn or string, crayons or markers, and scissors. Take a look at this picture. Can you see different types of flowers? See these yellow ones? They are taller than the other flowers. See these red flowers? They are shorter than the tall yellow flowers. Now take a look at the bottom of the picture. This orange one is the shortest flower in the picture. Now I have a question for you. What makes flowers grow? If you said water and sunlight, you are correct. Next, I'm going to show you how we can create our own gardens inside. All right, now we're ready to create our own flower garden inside. So we've been working hard. We've been making some flowers together. And do you remember, how do you make flowers grow? Remember, you give them sunlight and water, and then, oh my gosh, our flowers are starting to grow. Juliet's working on finishing the last one up. Oh, here comes one flower. Oh, here comes another one. And another one. Oh, look at this one. This one is really tall, really high up there. And here comes our last flower. Right here. A little baby one. And next, our flowers need some stems. So what we're going to use to create the stems is some string and some tape. So here's one stem. Tape that on there. And stretch our stem down. And then we're going to start making a stem for the next flower. Oh, look at this one. This stem is a little bit longer. It's taller, this flower. Thank you. So you can see this flower is taller than this flower. Look, our stem needs to be longer. And here comes another stem. Now we'll stretch this one down. And we're going to put a stem on this one right here. And this flower, look, see, this one is taller than this one. This is actually the tallest flower. So we're going to need a really, really long stem for this one. It stretches way down. And then our last flower, this one is our shortest flower in our garden. And so this one just needs a short stem. And there we go. You did it. Look, we made a beautiful flower garden. And if you look at your flowers, remember in that picture, we talked about which flowers were taller, which ones were shorter. So if I said to Juliet, Juliet, which flower is the tallest?
This one.
This one. And you know it's the tallest because it's all the way up high. Juliet, which one is the shortest flower?
This one.
This one. See, this has a short stem. This is our shortest flower. And then we can also talk about these by saying the red flower is shorter than the purple flower. See how it's down lower? It's shorter. And we can also say the purple flower is taller than the orange flower. It's a little bit lower. This one is shorter. This one is taller. So families, you can also do some other activities with your flower garden. You can see if your child can arrange them from shortest, starting over here, and then go up to tallest, and then the reverse, see if your child can arrange them from tallest down to shortest. So just a fun little activity you can do at home. Check it out. It's also in your print packet. This coming print packet, so BCPS families, pre-K families can find this activity in your print packet. So have fun.
Here is another way that we used the flowers that we made. You can try this at home and create your own garden. In your garden, see if you can put your flowers in order from shortest to tallest. So if you look right here at this one, see this blue flower? This blue flower is the shortest flower in the garden. And see if you can put the flowers in order so they go all the way up to the tallest flower. See this one on the end? This red flower is the tallest flower. And then take your flowers off of the wall and mix them up. When you make another garden, see if you can put your flowers in order from tallest to shortest. So if you look at this picture, this flower right here, this one is the tallest flower. And then if you look, they're in order from tallest all the way down to shortest. And this blue one on the end is the shortest flower. Try that at home in your garden. Here are some other ideas that you can do at home to practice using words that describe height. Create your own measuring tape by taping together pieces of paper. Paint, draw, or trace your child's hands and align the length of the paper. Use this to measure items around your home and incorporate words as you're talking, such as short, shorter, and shortest, tall, taller, and tallest, as you describe different items. You can also take a picture of the people in your home. Talk about the height of the people. See if your child can order everyone from shortest to tallest and tallest to shortest. You can also go for a walk around your neighborhood. Look at buildings, trees, flowers, or anything else that you might see and use those vocabulary words in conversation. That's all of our time for today. You did it! You learned new words to describe height. Well done! Now it's time to end our learning for today. See you later, alligator. Give a hug, ladybug. See you soon, raccoon. Bye-bye, butterfly. We wish you well. We wish you well. All through the day today, we wish you well. See you next time.